Hello children, open your English textbooks and open the page number 22. Lesson number 8, Traffic Problems. Now read along with me. Aslam was in a thinking mode. He thought every problem has a solution. Why should we not think about the solution for this melody? When the English teacher came in the classroom, Aslam asked her, "Ma'am, may I ask you a question?" "Yes, student," said the teacher, "you may." "Ma'am, my bus was late for school by 1 hour. I was not responsible for this. All of us were reprimanded by the principal. What is the solution for this problem?" "Sit down, student," said his teacher. Then she put her purse on the table and began. "Students, Aslam is suffering because of the heavy traffic jam. This jam is created on roads because too many people come out in the morning in their cars, motorcycles and scooters." "May I speak, ma'am?" Vinita raised her hand. "Yes, you may," said her teacher. "Ma'am, people have many cars. They should not buy so many cars per family. Moreover, all of them should not come out in the morning. Moreover, people should drive slowly. But my father has to go to office. Children must attend school," said Isita, another student of the class. "They can use the carpooling system," said the teacher, "because it would reduce the number of vehicles on the road." "This is a nice idea, ma'am," said Rajat. "Is there any other solution?" asked John.